Okay, so the next one is the vacuum, okay? RF combined with the suction, okay? So for this one, you can choose the RF levels as well, and then also you can choose the suction time and also the release time, okay? So let's do it for 0.4 seconds, and then you can choose here, okay? This is the power, like minimize and also the maximum, okay? And then now let's choose the middle. So right now we can click start. So right now here it start working. So for this one, it got the suction. You can see it can suck my muscles, right? So for this one, also very easy for you to use, okay? You put them in here. See, it will suck my body like this, okay? So for this one, simply you go in, okay? You twist in. This one is help you to build up the waistline, okay? Make these two sides shrink, okay? Shrink in, okay? So put them in here, slowly, see? It's stretching my skin right now, see? Then we go in. To make my waistline look more clear.